For this video demo, I'm using Raspberry Pi's own web browser to browse the web page. On the mobile app, it could also access the web page as well. Using Raspberry Pi's own browser is just to have a more convenient way of recording this. So here I'm gonna play the snoring sound from random YouTube. Click enable to enable the snoring classifier. Here you will see sensor state as false. By pressing this FSR sensor, it will activate the sensor state to true. And now you can see the classifier spotted as 1, so the motor will be turning after the classifier detected as 1, but it will only be using every 30 seconds. So as you can see, even though it's 1 right now, the motor is still off. It'll only activate after another 30 seconds if snoring is detected. Right now I'm just gonna wait for the second turn. Yeah, so this is basically how the motor will work. See, even if it's true right now, the motor still wouldn't turn. And now I'm gonna release this. After releasing the FSR sensor, this sensor state becomes false and the results wouldn't be going in. Also, there's functions such as alarm that is also activated on the phone or web browser. I'm gonna stop the snoring sound right now. The alarm, once again, the alarm will be integrated. Yeah, it will, even though it says internal server error, but still the alarm will be activated. To deactivate the alarm on the phone, it will have a function that automatically gets the de-alarm function in the web address. Okay, now the alarm is gone. On the phone, it will be also back to the main page. Then back to main page again.